People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, can somebody explain to me what is this I'm looking at? What kind of skettle dressing is this? No, this thing is getting out of hand right now. What kind of careless girl look is this? What is brother I say him really have on? Let me tell you something, man. Any day I'm walking down Half a Tree or New Kingston or Portmore and I see a Jamaican man dressed like this, I'm going home, I'm packing up one scandal bag. I'm not packing a suitcase, I'm packing one scandal bag, just the essentials. I'm lighting the house on fire and I'm heading to West Africa. I'm heading to Ghana. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to Accra. I don't want to go to the city part of Ghana. I'm going to the rural part. The part that don't even have water or light. Because this is serious. This is what it gone to. What is the manner van? Now, this was launched by a British fashion business called ASOS. Right, and they're telling us this is the new trend. This is where fashion is going. Now I want you to pay close attention to the models they chose to be the face of this new trend. They could have chose anybody from any race. But notice who they went for. Now the first skettle in the black. If you notice, he's of dark complexion. He has locks on the top of his head. He has tattoos on his body. Look like a stereotypical bad boy. So what do? They throw on this skettle outfit on him and they immediately emasculate him right before our very eyes. And they took him from rugged bad boy to careless girl. I hope you realize this is by design, you know. Do not think this is an accident or they just randomly chose these men. This is what they want to put out there. This is the image they want to soak in your head, and this is what they want to normalize. And I'm not in the business of telling people what they can and can't wear. The man free to do what they want to do. But I'm telling you right now, if this is going to be a trend, any man who go wear this, if I even a bridging for 100 years, nobody heal me. If you see me in the street, brother. If my grandfather come back from the dead and I see him walking down the road in one of these cropped up skettle outfits, me not heal him. And I understand that fashion is controversial sometimes. But that's not the problem here. The problem is the agenda that they are pushing. Because this is not by accident that they chose these two men to be the face of this clown show, this circus. Because they knew as soon as they put this out, the world was going to laugh. The world was going to say, look at those idiots. And who are they going to see in those outfits? Two brothers, Tom and Jerry. Clown show, SpongeBob and Patrick. I'm sorry. These men knew what they were getting themselves into. They weren't forced to wear this. Whose son is this? Whose brother is this? Whose baby father is this? And let me tell you something, it's not going to end. It's only going to get worse. So don't be surprised when you start to see things like this happening more and more. Now, the thing that really have me worried is the fact that Jamaicans love to follow what them see on TV, and they love to follow what they see on the internet. Can you think of one trend that started in the US or Europe that did not end up in Jamaica? Can you think of one? Remember when piercing your nose was taboo in Jamaica? Bad man not dress like girl, with no boy nose and with no wear drop girl. Remember that? Well, every other youth you see now walk around with their nose pierced. That's normal now. Remember when the idea of men wearing weave was so laughable, nobody would even mention it? Well, that's normal now. You remember when them said skin bleaching was only a woman thing and man not take up that? Even the biggest, baddest bad man now bleach out. Remember when Kanye West and the rapper them come in that skirt looking thing? And people say, oh, Jamaicans not wearing a skirt. I'm going to dance, I go say man not skirt. So that means you need to be on the lookout for this new crop top skittle look to land in Jamaica. Because some crew are going to bring it in under the disguise of swag and tell you, say, boy, because you know no swag, you don't understand. I know you bad mind him for him crop top. And I tell you, say him crop top cost 10 million US. And I tell you how much girl I run him down for him crop top. It's coming. Our culture is obsessed with any little gimmicks we see abroad. I just want you to see what they are doing to black men. I just want you to see how they are trying to emasculate the image of the black man. This is not an accident, people. This has been going on time and time again. Dave Chappelle said it best. When you get to Hollywood, the first thing they try and do is get a black man in a skirt. This is a man who was inside Hollywood telling you this. That when you get to Hollywood, the first thing they try and do to you as a black actor is to put you in a skirt. Jamie Foxx, Martin Lawrence, Kevin Hart, all the greats. They have some character dressed up like a woman. Because the image of black men throughout the years have been one of pure masculinity. When people think about rugged masculinity, the first thing come to mind is the image of a black man. This is why you see black men dominate sports. Let's be honest, people, this is not about being racist. When people think about masculinity, when people think about a confident, dominant male, the standard image is a black male. When you turn on your TV, any physical activity, anything that involves strength, speed, etc., is dominated by a black male or a black female. But of course, there's no need to emasculate a female. But the black man, they enjoy making us look stupid. This is not an accident. Don't think that ASOS made a mistake. Don't think that ASOS was just trying a thing and they shuffle some names in a box and they just so happen to pick out these two guys to be the face of the campaign. This is by design. This is engineered. This is what they want the young men coming up to see. This is how they want to change the narrative and transform black men from these strong athletic types that is the envy of the world and transform the image into some kind of sissy And again, if man want to wear them crop top, by all means, wear a crop top. But as I said, any day I see this thing reach Jamaica, that is my cue to pack up and head to the east. Because once them gone cropped up for men, it's only a matter of time before you start see battery rider and all kind of things come. So anyway people, this is Politics Watch. Like, comment, share and subscribe and tell me what you think about this.